New Mexico is celebrating two major vaccine milestones, both of which are getting us closer to the ultimate goal of vaccinating 60% of eligible New Mexicans and reopening the entire state. News 13's Brittany Bate is here to explain.
Well, Kim, as of this afternoon, more than 1 million New Mexicans, which is exactly 60% of the eligible population, has received their first dose of the vaccine.
It's great news. New Mexicans continue to come out and show enthusiasm for this whole process, and it's a wonderful milestone. It's really half the people in the state have gotten at least a first shot now.
Looking at the numbers, nearly 806,000 New Mexicans are fully vaccinated. 1,007,000 New Mexicans have their first dose. To reopen, 60% of the population needs to be fully vaccinated. Matt Bieber with the Department of Health says while these milestones are encouraging, it does not mean the state is expecting to open up earlier than June 30th. Bieber says their data still shows that we will hit that 60% mark right around June 30th. He says depending on the number of people who schedule and actually show up to get their booster dose, that date could change by a few days, but he says 200,000 more people still need to get vaccinated for us to hit that 60% mark.
Obviously, we'd love to see some new folks enter the system as well, though. Folks register and schedule their first shots because we don't want to just hit 60 and stop. We want to keep going, of course, and boost those numbers as high as we possibly can.
Bieber says the DOH recently conducted a survey that showed some New Mexicans did not know that every New Mexican 16 or older is now eligible for the vaccine or know that the vaccine is completely free. Bieber says they are working on getting that information out to everyone. Kim?
Okay, thanks, Brittany. Now, starting tomorrow, the DOH says any business that wants to schedule a mobile clinic for its employees can do so. There will be an online form to sign up.